How about the rest? Take a while and check your battery charge. What's your battery charge for today?
Hello, Miss.
Hi, Farah.
Uh, what's this?
Just want to check on the well-being of my RSD2 students.
Okay, okay, okay.
Uh, oh, Ivan 4.9, sikit lagi 5. But then you're not struggling. Okay, good. Okay, do a battery charge check before we start. Alvin is 3. You're feeling okay. Sometimes 2, sometimes 4. Oh, feeling good. 4 is like neutral. Be extra kind to yourself. Jonathan also neutral. How to be extra kind to ourselves? Perhaps you need to pamper yourself like 2 minutes of just sitting there and do nothing. I did that. Okay, in fact, I got this from the workshop that I attended a few nights ago. Daniel is also for neutral. Farah is too. You're feeling good. That's good. So you just need to maintain the level. Okay, I can see that the groups are done already. Ivan, Celine, and Russell. How, Jeremiah, and Nathan. Shaq, Jonathan, and Alvin. Uh, Solomon, Daniel, and Lim. Okay, and then group 1. So Wong, so Lim and Daniel need to work together with Wong. So Jonathan, also Jonathan, you will be working with your seniors, okay, Shaq and Alvin. The second one here are classmates. The first one is classmate in PCD1. Yeah, only Russell is from DIA that time. Okay, good. Actually, I'm also waiting for the groupings because for today's practice, there's no extra demo video for chapter 4. So what I did, okay, let me start the recording first. Okay, so for like what I mentioned just now, there's no extra demo exercises for today, just that unlike last week where we have the demo videos for the event-driven programming, let me go up. And then for the lab exercises, we have 2, but I only ask you all to submit 1, okay, which is the second one is compulsory. But for the practical 4 lab exercise, I have 2 questions. So last week you did 1, and today you will do another one. All right, so you will do another one. Let's take a look at the question. This time it's a bit more complicated. Okay, a bit more complicated compared to previous week. First of all, design your web page. You have drop down list, radio button list. Okay, this is a button. You have a label, right? And then your data source, SQL data source is one for the grid view. And then you have another SQL data source for the data list here. So this is a data list. This is a grid view. Okay, so you need to come up with the codes on your own. For the page load, you need to display the staff name. Okay, get the staff name from the employees table. So what does it mean? It means you need to bind your drop-down list to the data source controller. Okay, make sure you connect to the correct table. And as for the radio button list, okay, this is a list that means you will read the order date. Okay, the order date field or column from the orders table, and you need to retrieve the year. All right, and list it as a radio button list. Right. So again, this require data binding, right? So make sure you have these two SQL data source. Let me see, macam ada kat ada. Oh, it's not mentioned ya, mungkin tertinggal. Okay, tertinggal. Unbound. Then why here it says, uh, ah, you need to bind it lah. Okay. And then let me see, after selecting the staff name and year, there's a search button. You need to display this grid view, right? Containing, where am I? I'm lost. Okay, sorry. Containing the order ID and order date. Okay, order ID and the order date. Meaning for this particular staff, for that particular year, these are the list of order, okay, under his name. And you must, the title of, this is the title, yeah. So the title must display the name, okay, which is from the selected drop-down list value, right? And then the selected year from the radio button list. Okay, let me see. You need to display the total sales. So this total sales, you need to do some calculation. Okay, get the sum from the order details table. So basically, here we are not displaying the sales amount, just the order ID and order date. The one after you calculate, you just display it on in a title label. You use label. Okay. So this is where your detail view will come in. But then in this case, we are going to use data list. Previously, what we have learned is that a detail view is normally used in a master scenario. What was it? Master scenario. Okay. Whereby from your master table here, order, when you click one of the order ID, then it will display the list of products in that particular order. So this is in fact a data list. So you need to join the table accordingly lah for this particular lab exercise too. Yeah, that's it. 4 pages. Since I don't have any additional demo file, I added a link here. Okay, this one is from Microsoft documentation. Oh, no longer updating. Let me click on the recommended version. This is a new one. Okay, data-driven web pages. So this is for the database uh, from the Microsoft documentation. This is for the database. Any, I don't see any web controls. Is there any web controls? I think for the database, the latest one should be this one. But then this one is using the core, ASP.NET Core. Ours is not using .NET Core. We're using .NET Framework. Okay, let me go back to the previous one. So everything about the data bound controls, okay, the one that we covered yesterday are listed here in this documentation. Okay, so for today exercise, I can see that the complexity is higher compared to last week. So what I want you to do, based on your groupings here, your assignment grouping, I allow you to discuss among yourself on the lab exercise too. However, I still want individual student to submit your work lah. Okay, but you can work together as a group. So is it clear? Okay. So for the rest of the students, you just need to alert me once you have already done the last week practical. For today, work with your group members first. And for lab exercise 2, I believe my due date is this Saturday. Okay, just in case you cannot finish today, so you have until Saturday lah, right? So that's all for the briefing. Okay, so you'll go ahead and design the web page first. So I will still be here. Oh, I'm wondering whether everyone has already checked your battery charge. Let me see. Where's the battery charge? Oh, Celine. Celine 4. Oh, basically, in average, you all are neutral. Neutral lah. Nathan also 4. Oh, Noel tukar sudah. Sometimes 2, sometimes 5. Oh, can go up to struggling. Okay. That's why my diploma year 2, they also tell me that they are like drained, struggling. All right. So that's why I want to check the RSD2 battery as well. And for today, you can work in a group. All right. Okay, go ahead. I will still be here. In case you have done, you have completed it, then just alert me lah. Yeah, Noel, there is no extra demo exercise, only one. So if you notice in my, let me see, in my stream yesterday, I posted, hang on, because of our notes is not sufficient, correct? So yesterday I found some more online resources from Microsoft documentation. A C Sharp corner looks good. Okay. These are on the data bound controls, working with data source controls. Okay. Our lecture notes is definitely not enough, and I only have one demo exercise for the database programming. And this is the one that I mentioned yesterday, the one that I saw somewhere, uh, how to create a database in Visual Studio. This one is from Microsoft documentation. Okay. So today there's no demo video. Wong is not here. How about Lim? Oh, Lim is here. Lim, is your internet okay? Can you hear me? How's your battery charge? Have you checked your battery charge? You check my stream, yeah? The Google Classroom for neutral. Okay. Mm, okay. I guess Wong is not here yet. He might be late. Oh yeah, Russell, are you there? Or perhaps Ivan? Ah, I just received the list from Miss Lim that for group two, you are the class rep and Ivan is the assistant. Okay, good. Did you all volunteered or they voted for you, both of you? Russell volunteered. Then how about you, Ivan? Why are you crying? Lazy. Uh, we have experienced class rep. Yep. I feel I think a bit more relaxed for this particular course because I have four students, two class reps and two assistants. Oh yeah, Russell. In fact, I want to ask whether you have created the group for your group too, or perhaps a group combined with Noel's. Oh, already, yeah. Can you check on this Wong why he's not joining us? Okay, thanks. Yes. Ah, I think how is here. How is here. Ya, ada. How is here. Solomon. Kalau Wong tuh confirm Solomon. Yeah, I know. That's why I've decided to call a how. How. I have how. One is Wong. Uh, uh, like it's like I prefer to call Wong. So I have Wong in year two, Wong in first year, and then both are Wong. Both are sitting at the same place at the back of the lab, and I'm so used to call Wong as Wong instead of Solomon. No lah, just talking about the two Wongs that I have. You're okay with I'm calling you as how, right? Okay. Can our assignment have white background like in practical? Let me check the rubrics. Hang on, It's better to check the rubrics. For part one, oh ada Noel. Under GUI and navigation design, 15 marks total. For excellent, 12 to 15. It's meant for impressive GUI design. Besides using master page, navigation controls. Hmm. The rest are like the program logic, database, usage of data bound controls. So your selection of data bound controls is important as well. Hmm. Ada include oh? How about I make it easier for you guys? Hmm. Okay, I let you use a template. Would you like to use a template? Make sure the template is available for free, and please also mention in your documentation, um, because for any free template you still need to customize accordingly. ah it's not like you use the template straight away, you can fit it into your project, right? You still need to do some customizing. So how about the rest? uh, would you like to use a template? Then you will focus on the ASP.NET, the database, the data bound controls, your master page, navigation. Various group is okay. How about the other group? Do you all want to like come up with your own CSS? But then there's no mark for CSS in specific lah. Just the design in general. A copyright name in the template, normally they provide for free, right? Try to find that it is not copyrighted lah, the one that they provide for free. Yeah, so Jonathan also okay with template. How about other groups? Yeah. Okay. So let's agree. Okay, let's agree. Um, for the impressive, yeah, that's why you need to go for the the free one, the one that is available for free. I think last time, Farah, I did show you this site that people share their template. I think that one has no copyright, because if the template still have copyright and then you remove it, and if the owner saw his template being used without the copyright, you will be in trouble, kan? But then I forgot already what's the name of the website. I guess I need to watch back my video, my own video. There's a free website where people, this CSS designer share their template. I believe that one has no copyright, but it needs to fit well with your arts gallery theme lah. Okay. How about Daniel's group, Nathan's group? Are you all going to come up with your own CSS? Or you all would like to use a template? Mm. Oh, he's not in yet, Alim. Allah. There must be something that he cannot join the class today. Website template. Oh yeah, I think this is the one that I showed you last time. Hmm. Yeah, this is a template. Or this template is like already inclusive of, what do you call that? responsive design. So there's no need for you to worry about the design, whether it's a fixed design or flexible design. Uh, I think it will be the choices are limited. There's fashion, food, or cafe ada, or ada try it yourself. Here all the fonts are online from the Google APIs. Mm-mm. And the CSS actually belongs to W3 School. Since they allow you to use it, I think they allow you to use it, right? Hmm. Yeah, very simple. At least you have the navigational list already. You need to find the one with the, what do you all need? Cart, add to cart. Let me see. Clothing store. Oh, coming soon. Wedding invitation. Photo template. Black and photo. There's a lot of error. Nature portfolio. Oh, a lot. Oh, ada art template lagi. Yeah, I saw the one. Who's that? Albert Einstein. Social media template. Oh, cool. So here, what does it say? It's optimized for learning and training. Examples simplified. While using W3 schools, you agree to have read and accepted our terms of use. So make sure in your, for example, about, you can put a link back to this template designer. And so once your design is settled, so you only have to work on the coding lah. Okay, good, good, good. Nathan simply say, but you're considering. Bootstrap, boleh, but there's no additional marks lah. And then in your documentation readme, you need to tell me, because last time I remember for my WebSys tech students, they use Bootstrap, but when I open their files, all are errors, meaning they didn't customize it very well. So they told me, Miss, the rest you ignore. Okay. As long as you can apply it correctly. Because my intention is, okay, let me rephrase that. My focus is for you to be able to apply the ASP.NET framework in your assignment. That's our focus. Our course is no longer a web design and development. So I'm okay with you all using template or bootstrap lah. Okay, no need to worry about that. So in terms of the design, so I'll check the template or the bootstrap that you apply, whether it's suitable for a art work gallery. Okay, whether it includes everything mentioned in the assignment requirements. Okay, whether it's attractive, whether you are able to customize accordingly lah. Okay. Yeah, I just want to make students' life easier. Make it easier. Okay, go ahead and try the lab exercise too. Yes, use back the same database. what we have learned way is the control new data .NET and new web form named Practical form. This is the north wind. We need to write SP. Need to select this is bound control, bound control, and as the base north wind location container source to configure MS table. So this is my select statement. Select all from custom. Okay, the records available in this location. Studio. Select my customers table, and we're going to nice, right? Okay, and okay, I'm back at my I like this stuff. Click the smart tag, but shiny edit country referring to .md. I go ahead go to m table. Okay, the time is almost up. Shall I have a look at your group's progress? Okay, I will record this. So, have you created the page? Complete the page design?
Half, halfway.
Oh, okay, up to there lah. Oh, already bound the employee table. Is that working? So
Slash
now
slash B6.
you need to grab only the date, right?
I,
Is it only date? Macam only date. And then you need to calculate the grand total sales. Okay, good
I,
progress. Okay. How about the next group? Thanks, Noel. Nathan, how's your group? You all have done until which part? How about Jonathan's group or left data list? How can you show your share your screen? All right. Yeah, Jonathan, I can see from the, let me see. Okay, so that's the design. I can do very fast already. Good. Or not valid date and time. Right. It was okay just now. Perhaps you did some changes. Don't worry how. You can continue as long as you and your group members submit by Saturday lah. Yeah, I think I no need to worry about your group. I have you. Yeah. What I like about your grouping is that let me see. In the grouping, I have at least one programmer. Like the first one, I have Russell in the group. Second one, I have Hao. Third, I have Jonathan. Fourth, I have Wong. Last one, I think, Noel. One programmer for each group, luckily. So I think these programmers, you need to uh, assist lah. I think the group members might need assistance, perhaps. Okay, let me see. Jonathan mentioned something. Oh yeah. Uh, you're a system analyst. Yeah, that's why system analyst needs assistance. Yes. No. Noel, y'all uh, discuss as a group, but individual submission. Okay, because group members must practice also, right? For the assignment, they need to know how things go about. Okay, Jonathan. So, Jonathan, you're one group with Shak and Alvin.
Yeah, but then I do myself first because I also don't know how to do. I have to try myself first. So
But
I
then, let me ask, Shak and Alvin, are you able to at least bind the drop-down list to the employees table? That's the simplest one. Shak,
Shaq
Alvin.
now Shaq asked me about this two part. He
Oh,
said
oh,
okay
oh, oh.
already
So he's working on that one first.
a few minutes ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
How
So
about Alvin? Oh no. So Alvin ada laptop problem. Kelvin pun ada laptop problem kan, Kelvin? I really hope that you can upgrade your RAM. Is the computer shop open kah di KK? Can
yeah, open already.
open already? Oh,
Just
kalau begitu
last week
Kelvin go,
I saw at the newspaper lah.
buka sudah lah.
Computer shop can open. Yeah.
How much is one RAM now? Is it below 100?
You can get below 100.
Oh. Okay, Kelvin, I think you need to do something since your laptop is very slow. Kalau Elvin disk, oh no. Okay, susah nih. Okay, you don't have no ideas. Me too. I have no ideas what's happening outside. What I know is I am putting on weight since last year, and I hope students will not see me. Okay. I did get a hair trim lah. Oh, malu keluar pergi jumpa student. I really don't want to do. It's the first class I really put on weight. Oh my goodness. Okay, where was I?
I show you what I have now.
Yeah.
Oh, let me do this. Okay, so I done
Memang
most
ada
of this.
three data source kan? I think the question salah sudah tadi.
It's a bit weird lah, so I just add
the
one or
question.
two more. Yeah. It's a bit odd, so I just did it myself. I did it my way. So I done the data bound. So if I click here, you can select, search, then it will display. This part I haven't figured out. Like when the
Do you have any idea on how to work on it?
no, that's why I'm stuck.
The total sales is the sales available in the order table?
Let me check.
Can you view the field?
Oh, but then I also cannot select out. If I select out, it select, but then this thing is not displayed. I'm still figuring.
Not for selecting, but because we need to get the sales, the amount of sales for each order, and then we need to calculate it kan?
Yeah.
Noel mentioned need another SQL data source for total sales. Oh, perhaps make it hidden.
Yeah, I also thought of that, but I haven't really done it yet.
But I know for a data list, in one of the is it a data list?
This is data list.
Can you view the what do you call that on your right hand side? The properties window. Macam ada footer total ke apa? No, the property. Macam ada allows us to show. Footer. Kalau show footer boleh tengok I think the total perhaps. If we can display the sales amount, then we display the total. Can we grab it from there? Oh, I'm talking nonsense already.
I don't know. So I have to figure it out. That part.
Okay.
This one also. Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Jonathan.
Welcome, Miss.
Mm. How about Russell's group and Wong's group? I think just now I saw Wong. Let me see. I saw him. Ada ba? Wong's group. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, you're faster, but you redo everything. Then how about Celine? Celine, can you do the data binding for the drop-down list? Ivan? At least the first two lah. The data binding. Okay, whose group? Jonathan sudah, How sudah, Russell, Noel. Oh, Lim, Daniel? Lim, Daniel? SQL statement. Okay, okay. Okay, binding grid view. Oh, binding grid view. Do you mind sharing your screen, Lim? Wong is not responding. Okay, I can see that you have the page design already lah. The top part, as to select the staff name, can you display the employee's name in the drop-down list? Is it working, Lim? I believe I've checked every group. If you refer to the deadline, it's not tonight. Okay, I'm letting you all breathe for 2 days. You have 2 days. I like to figure it out because the reason is that I believe it is useful for your assignment as well. Once you get to familiarize yourself with the data bound controls and the data source control, as well as the code behind. Okay, so treat this as a research prior to your assignment. Nah. Oh, nampak sedang. Oh, all right. It works, Lim. Good. Okay, so far so good. Thanks. Okay, I think that's it for today. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Welcome.
Okay,